In this video, I will show you how to change language in YouTube. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you want to do is come across to youtube.com, and once you've done that, you want to make sure you're signed into your account. Now, if you're not, you're going to see a sign in button in the top right hand corner, but you can see I'm currently signed in as I have my Google profile icon showing. Once you're signed in, come up to the top right hand corner of YouTube, click onto your profile icon, and on this menu that comes up, you're going to see the option for display language. So what you want to do is give that a click, and then what you can do is choose any of the available languages. So for example, if we wanted to change to French, I would find that from the language list, give it a click, and what that's going to do is relaunch YouTube. And as you can see, this is now in French. So if you look at the top, the different categories are now in French, and you can see next to the view count, everything is in French. Of course, the languages on some of the titles are still going to be in English, but things like the view count and things on the left-hand side as well, like your history and playlists and things like that, is now going to be in French or whatever language you've chosen. So that's how to change language in YouTube. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.